Hey you cunts, welcome to the woods. This is the place where people like me shit and hibernate. Today I'm just fucking around, making some short ribs, throwing axes, shooting guns. The shit you usually do when you're a redneck piece of shit like me. What I'm doing is just letting these things get warm, put some salt on them, whatever the fuck you want on them. You can cum on them or spray some titty milk on there. Do what you gotta do. As I always say, it's important to get them warm. If you're scared of germs or whatever, you're a cunt and you should probably go kill yourself. First thing you need is a Viking. Making axes in the corner. And black metal coming out of a Subaru because we're in Oregon. Gather some rocks and make a fire about as hot as that Brazilian hooker you picked up last Thursday. And the rocks you choose should be about as flat as your mom's flabby ass. Like I said, it doesn't matter what the fuck you season this shit with. I just dump some fucking salt on there, call it a day. While you're waiting for your rocks to heat up, you can run through the woods naked, obliterate some shit, or jerk off on a coyote. Oh shit, show the camera that. Right there, yeah. Ooh, that's, yeah. Ooh, boy. Wah, wah. Wah, wah, wah.
Ow, that's sharp.
Blades are sharp. Now, not only can he obliterate wood, he also obliterates the pussy. Did I show the camera?
No, then everyone's gonna know I'm a fucking rookie.
Whatever. Rookie's gonna rook.
It's from that.
Oh shit, yeah, sharp edge.
I don't ever cut myself.
Are you sure you don't cut yourself? Brutal.
Only when I'm sad.
Viking's gonna Viking. Brutal.
Well.
Hear that sizzle? That makes my dick hard.
Yeah, were you recording?
No.
Yes, you were.
Well, you're trying to get in some old lady's pants? What?
Good old Klamath trail.
See that shit?
Fuck yeah.
That's how it's fucking done. Yeah, cunts.
These short ribs are tremendous. Nobody makes a better short rib than me. Nobody.
You barely have to cook these fucking things. They're good however done you make them. Oh, and by the way, if you're a vegan and you're pissed off that I'm making meat, kill yourself. I eat more meat knowing that I'm pissing off vegans. So go fuck yourself. That's a wrap, you fucking cunts. What do you think?
Besides pussy, that's the best I've ever put in my mouth.
Spoken like a true champ. Hell yeah. Jesus Christ. Bring more meat and more whores. Thank you. There you go, you cunts. A little mountaineering bullshit just to show you a little piece of my day here. Have yourselves a great fucking day. Get those bitches out of the kitchen. Hit the subscribe button if you want to. If you don't, I don't give a fuck really. Yeah, have a good one. Peace. Word to the streets. Any last words? Yep, that sounds about right. We hate hippies.